If you want to sign out of all devices on your Epic Games account, this quick guide will walk you through the exact steps. This is a great option if you've logged in on a shared device, if you're trying to secure your account, or if you just want to make sure every session is fully signed out at once. Before we jump in, if this video helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games website. Once the site loads, click sign in and log into the account you want to manage. Make sure you're using the correct Epic Games account, especially if you have more than one. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and click your profile icon in. This opens up your account menu. From there, select account. That will take you to your main account settings page, where you can manage different security and profile options. Next, in the account settings, find and click the password and security section. This is where Epic Games keeps important security controls, including sign-out options and login management. Once you're in that section, scroll down until you see the option labeled Sign Out of All Devices. This feature is designed to log your account out everywhere at once, so you don't have to manually remove access device by device. When you find it, click Sign Out All. Epic Games will likely ask you to confirm the action, so go ahead and approve it to finish the process. After you confirm, your account will be signed out on all devices, which helps protect your account and ensures no one remains logged in without permission. If you are using this as part of securing your account after sharing a device, changing your password afterward is also a smart idea. And that's it. You've successfully signed out of all devices on your Epic Games account. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.